How to change the snooze time on your iPhone. Here's what you need to know. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone and tap on the Alarm tab. Select an existing alarm or tap the plus icon to create a new one. When editing an alarm, you'll see a snooze toggle near the bottom of the screen. However, it's important to know that Apple currently does not allow you to change the default snooze duration on iPhone. When snooze is enabled, the alarm will automatically snooze for 9 minutes, and this setting cannot be customized in iOS. If you want a shorter or longer snooze interval, there's a simple workaround. Create an additional alarm set for the amount of time you'd like between reminders. For example, if your main alarm is set for 7 a.m. and you want a 5-minute snooze, create a second alarm for 7:05 a.m. and turn snooze off for both alarms. You can create multiple alarms at different times to simulate your preferred snooze duration. While it's not as convenient as a custom snooze setting, it's currently the best way to personalize alarm intervals on iPhone. That's it. That's how you can effectively change your snooze experience on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.